In this video I'm going to show you how to overwinter your salvias and get those prepared for the following spring. Salvias are one of my favorite plants just because they give so much great color, add really good accent, and really don't need a whole lot of water. What's going on, everybody? This is Chaz with Homegrown How To. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, thanks for stopping by. So when prepping a salvia for overwinter, all it really takes is cutting it back to the ground. It's pretty simple. I have three main varieties in my yard. I've got the pink, the purple, and the white varieties. Best time to take care of your salvias is in the late fall as winter is approaching. Once your leaves start dropping and your salvias begin to show some signs of death, you can go ahead and cut those back to the ground. They will stay that way throughout the winter, and as spring approaches, warmer temps start hitting, those salvias will grow fairly quickly. Alright, well that is it for taking care of your salvia plants. All you have to do is cut them back right down to the ground. Those are very hardy. They will survive the harsh freezes. I'm located in northern Utah, so we do get quite a bit of snow and very hard freezes consistently throughout the winter. So these plants are awesome. They dominate the winter. They're beautiful in the spring, summer, and fall. And with a little bit of TLC, they can go ahead and bloom multiple times throughout the year. That's another reason why I like them a lot. So if you found this video informative at all, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.